Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 10. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss topic about Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif government. In your book, page number 18 and 19. Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif government. Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif enjoyed 2 terms for ruling the country. First government term November 1990 to July 1993. So first of all, we discuss the first government of Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif. The duration is 1990 to 1993. That is a picture of Nawaz Sharif. You have seen it. He was the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif first government. Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif of Pakistan Muslim League took the oath of as the Prime Minister of the country on November 1990. Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif was the member of and chairman of Muslim League, and he took the oath as a Prime Minister of Pakistan on November 1990. Announcement of agriculture policy. During the first term of Nawaz Sharif government, Nawaz Sharif announced a policy about agriculture for the betterment of farmers in 1991. 10 crore rupees were allocated for this policy. During the first time period of Nawaz Sharif government, Nawaz Sharif announced agriculture policy to improve the farmer condition in 1991, and 10 crore rupees were fixed for this policy. Privatization Commission. The government constituted Privatization Commission in 1991. So during the first government of Nawaz Sharif, they started the Privatization Commission. In 1991, official banks and financial institutions were reformed accordingly. So banks and other financial institutions made policies according to this commission. Banks in private sector were encouraged. The banks which were in private sector, they were encouraged, they were given facilities, and they were given importance. Some banks and other institutions were sold out through this privatization commission, which created a positive impact on the national economy. So during the Nawaz Sharif government, they made a commission, privatization commission, and through this commission, they privatized some banks and some other institutions and sold these institutions to other countries, other people, and which have a positive impact on the economy of the Pakistan. Agreement among provinces on water distribution. During his government, there was agreement between provinces for the distribution of water. A moot dispute was going on the water distribution of the river Indus among the 4 provinces of Pakistan. There was some problem, the distribution of river Indus water between the 4 provinces. So Nawaz Sharif government made an agreement that how the river Indus water can be distributed. Through the efforts of the government, the agreement was signed among the provinces and the dispute of water was resolved forever. So to solve this problem, there was an agreement between the provinces. That was a signed agreement, and through this agreement, the water dispute was solved forever, and now this dispute will not raise again. Baitul Mal. Nawaz Sharif government made a Baitul Mal. The government of Nawaz Sharif established Baitul Mal in 1992, which provides financial help and aid for poor people. So they made a Baitul Mal, and from which the money and financial help were given to poor people. It was established in 1992. Foreign policy. During the Nawaz Sharif government, foreign policy was made. According to this policy, government has made positive changes. Peace was brought in Afghanistan through negotiation with different Afghan leaders. So, according to this policy, there was some discussion with the Afghan government, Afghan leaders, and peace was established. Efforts were made to establish peace in Pakistan and Afghanistan because there was a jihad in Afghanistan and which has impact on Pakistani society. Through this agreement, peace can be established between both countries. India was officially invited for resolving Kashmir issue, but these negotiations were not successful. During Nawaz Sharif government, India was invited to solve the issue of Kashmir, but these discussions were not successful and Kashmir issue was not solved by these discussions. When extremists in India demolished Babri Mosque in 1992, National Assembly of Pakistan passed a condemnation resolution. When the extremist Hindu in India demolished Babri Mosque in 1992, Hindus destroyed Babri Mosque in India, for which Pakistan National Assembly passed a resolution and disliked this issue, this action of Hindus, and passed a resolution for this that Hindus are not doing good for Muslims. The government of Pakistan made its best effort for establishing good relations with America and the rest of the world. In foreign policy, there was also made effort to establish good relations with America and other countries of the world. Pakistan adopted a defensive policy at the American invasion of Iraq. When the America attacked Iraq, at that time Pakistan adopted a defensive policy and not interfere in this dispute. National plans. Nawaz Sharif government also made national plans. The government started national schemes like National Construction Program, Self-Employment Scheme, Motorway Project, and Yellow Cab Scheme for betterment of people, which proved to be quite successful. So Nawaz Sharif government also started some welfare program like National Construction Program, employment programs, motorway project, Yellow Cab Scheme. During Nawaz government, Yellow Cab Scheme started in which the taxis were given to the unemployed people. Motorway project was started and given loans to people to start their business, and construction program also started to improve the condition of the people, which was very successful. The dismissal of Mian Mohammad Nawaz Sharif government. The first government of Nawaz Sharif was dismissed by Ghulam Ishaq Khan according to the law 58(2)(b) in 1993. So Nawaz Sharif's first government was dismissed by President Ghulam Ishaq Khan. There was a law 58(2)(b) according to which President can dismiss the government, and in this way Ghulam Ishaq Khan dismissed the government of Nawaz Sharif in 1993. Nawaz Sharif ruled about two years and 5 months, and Mr. Balkh Sheikh Mazari was appointed as a caretaker prime minister. So when the Nawaz Sharif government was dissolved, so caretaker mean in place of the prime minister, a new prime minister was selected till the election was held. He was Mr. Balkh Sheikh Mazari instead of Nawaz Sharif, who will do the duties of prime minister till the election was held. The Muslim League filed an appeal against this presidential decision in Supreme Court. When the president dismissed the government of Nawaz Sharif, according to 58(2)(b), so Nawaz Sharif filed an appeal in court that this decision was not right, and so the Supreme Court decided what was the real decision. The Supreme Court cancelled the presidential decision. So Supreme Court said that President Ghulam Ishaq Khan has not made a right decision. So Nawaz Sharif will continue the system of the government and Nawaz Sharif government was restored. But the difference between Ghulam Isa Khan and Nawaz government create a tension. Nawaz Sharif resigned as the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and Ghulam Isa Khan also resigned from the President of Pakistan in July 1993. And now Moin Qureshi was elected as a caretaker Prime Minister, and he announced election in the country. Caretaker mean the Prime Minister, which was elected till the election, can held. He performed the duties of Prime Minister. So, when the Nawaz Sharif government was dismissed by Ghulam Isa Khan, Nawaz Sharif take this decision in the court. The court said that Ghulam Isa Khan not made a right decision. So, Nawaz Sharif can do the government, can perform his duties, but the tension continued. At the end, Ghulam Isa Khan also resigned as the president of Pakistan, and Nawaz Sharif also resigned as a prime minister of Pakistan in 1993, and Moin Qureshi was caretaker prime minister of Pakistan. So this is the first government of Nawaz Sharif. That is the end of the lecture. Okay, thank you.